Hey loves, Dinma here as always. Today's video is going to be a short one. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please do not forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you could be notified when next I upload a new video. Also, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Today I'll be sharing with you a treatment that is better than rice water. Yes, I said this. Please keep on watching and I'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. My first ingredient is coffee. When we think of caffeine, we think of cola, coffee and energy drinks, and from day to day we rely on caffeine to wake us up and stay awake. But has it occurred to you that caffeine's greatest quality may not be its ability to keep us alert? It's crazy to think about, but it's true. Caffeine has a unique quality. It can interact with your hair and in fact regulate the growth of it. It's important to note that you can apply caffeine directly to your scalp through various solutions, topical creams or shampoo, hairspray, hair oil. In fact, caffeine is one of the most popular new ingredients in hair products, whether it's styling gel, mousse, shampoos, or hair thickeners. If you are a DIY enthusiast like me, then you might want to consider a homemade hair spray. Well, I hope you're watching. I actually added 1 tablespoon of coffee into my beaker and then poured hot water up to 250 ml mark on my beaker and then stir to combine all the ingredients, and voila, we have our hair spray, better than rice water. So what I'm doing here is just to mix that up and then pour into my spray bottle for easy application. Please note that after pouring water into the coffee, you just have to let it sit for 8 hours before you stir again and then transfer into your applicator bottle. No need to sieve this because the coffee is definitely going to dissolve or melt and then turn into liquid. So here is what the content of my spray bottle looks like. Dark chocolate, and I'll go ahead and apply this and demonstrate for you all how I use this. Guys, I'm still wearing my cornrows, and here I had already washed my hair with shampoo and conditioned my hair, and here I'm going to spray this just as a strengthening treatment. I'm going to get this saturated all over my hair strands and then cover up to trap some heat before rinsing out. If you complain of coffee drying out your hair, please shampoo your hair. Do this before deep conditioning just to restore the moisture back. I love to do this as a rinse out treatment where I apply this, cover up my hair, allow to trap some heat, and then before rinsing out. I don't usually leave this in my hair. No need to leave this in your hair. You could just use this and then rinse out with just water. No need to use shampoo to rinse out. You can do this on your wash days. If your wash day is once a week, go ahead and use this treatment. And if your wash day is twice a month, go ahead and use this treatment twice a month. If you feel that there's anything I didn't cover in this video, please ask me in the comment section below and I will answer you. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.